Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of computers. Class 5th, lesson number 5th, images in a document in Open Office Writer. Let's start. Font work. Font work is a very special and interesting feature in Open Office Writer. In this, you can create different types of text in 2D and 3D images also. How to insert font work in OpenOffice Writer? Click on View, then Toolbar, then there will be a font work option. On the font work toolbar, click on the font work gallery. This is the font work gallery where it has written. When you click on it, it will open like this. This is the font work gallery. These are the different types of writing styles. If you want to give any heading on your project work, then you can choose any handwriting from the font work. Just double click on the object and click on OK button. This writer and these dots will appear. Double click on it writer on this writer text, and you are able to write any text whatever you want. To added font work attribute, if you had written something and you want to change the writing or you want to change the text, then double click on it. This handles or this dots will appear. These are called the handles. Through this you can increase or decrease the size of the text, and by double clicking on it you can change the text also. Other than this, when you click on this, on the right hand side there are property window will open. With the help of this property toolbar, you can change the line width, line color, fill color and fill style. You can change the outline color also and fill different color also. Let me tell you the use of other icon. This is the font work shape. It is used to change the shape of the selected object. These are some other new shapes rather than these shapes. We can also change our font work shape into these shapes. Font work same letter height. We can increase or decrease the height and width of the letters also. You can see here, you can see font work and you can see the height is also increased. Font work alignment. It is used to specify the alignment of the text within the frame from the choices available. Font work alignment: left align, center align, right align, word justify and stretch justify. These are the different types of alignments. Font work character spacing. It is used to select the desired spacing between the characters. For normal custom spacing, 100% is normal spacing, less than 100% it is tight spacing, and more than 100% is expanded spacing. We can change the height and width of the between the characters also in font work. Insert picture in a document from file. If we have saved so many pictures in our computer, then we can insert in our writer document by clicking on the insert, then picture, then from file. When you click on the from file, your computer pictures window will open. Choose any file, select any file and click on open. Your picture will be open on your writer window. Resize picture. By clicking on the picture, some 9 dots will appear and these are called handles. Just click on that. You can increase or decrease the size of the picture, and from this picture toolbar you can increase the width or you can increase or decrease the height of the width of the picture also. You can crop the picture also. By double clicking on it, there will be a crop effect, and you can cut the extra uh, extra border or extra effects from the picture. Cropping is used to remove the unwanted portion from any picture. Second method, you can also resize the picture by dragging the green handles in or out. This I already told you that when you will click on the picture, the handles will come or the dots will come, so that you can increase or decrease the size of the picture. Insert picture in a document from gallery. If you did not have any picture in your computer, then in Open Office Writer there is a by default gallery of so many pictures, then you can take it from that. Go to Tools menu and then Gallery. You can see there are so many pictures available. Choose any picture and your picture will come. These are the handles. By clicking on these handles, you can insert or decrease the size, and so that you can insert the picture in your document. Insert an object as a background graphic. How can we insert a picture as a background? By clicking on the gallery and standard bar, by selecting the tools and gallery. Choose by right clicking on it, insert background and page or a paragraph, in which you want to insert as a background a complete page or a complete paragraph. Thank you for today's session.